Want to master forms in SwiftUI with real-time data observation and seamless validation? In this complete tutorial, I'll show you how to create a professional dynamic form that responds to user inputs. Let's get started and take your iOS apps to the next level. So this is the app we will create. It enables the user to enter their username. And as I enter my username, you can see the progression within this bar. Enter my email address. Password. Gender. Hobbies. And also we can select a photo, but that's optional. And then we can submit the form. Xcode is a little bit slow again. So this is the application feature that we will create. In this tutorial, we will add the profile photo feature to enable a user to assign a photo or image to their profile. After line 41, enter the following section. Header, text, profile photo, dot font, headline, photo, picker, selection, $, selected item, matching images, as we just want images, text, select a photo. Now we need to add our onChange event. Selected item. New item. In. And then we need to use a task to enable the following code to be executed asynchronously. If let data equals try, await, new item, load transferable type data.cell. So what it's trying to do is trying to get the selected image and then assign that selected image to the image data property. Form.image_data equals data. The next thing we need to do is assign the selected image to the image element, UI element, selected image data, let UI image. So if the image is valid, then we can show the image to the user. UI image dot resizable dot scale to fit dot frame height 200 dot clip shape, make it circle for the image, dot overlay circle stroke color white, line width 4, shadow radius 10. And then anywhere after line 66, we check to see if the form is valid. So if the form is not valid, display this warning. Please enter all information. Dot foreground color is red, so the text will be red. And then we add our progress view value form dot completion percentage, and add some padding. The next thing we need to do is to add a submit button so that the user can post the information. If form is valid, navigate to detail equals true. So if the form is valid, has the right information, display the detailed view. On the button for the caption, it will be submit. Frame max width, infinity, dot padding, background, form is valid. So if the form is valid, then display the background of the button to blue. Else, if form is invalid, the background color will be grey. Foreground color white. Corner radius 8 to round the corners of the button. Disabled, if not, is valid. So what that does, it disables the button if the form is not valid, to stop the user from clicking the button. Add some padding. And now the last thing we need to add is a navigation title. Create account. Dot navigation bar title display mode. Is presented. That should be is presented. Is $, navigate to detail. And then we call our detail view and pass our form data to the detail view, and then the detail view will display the information that has been submitted. I'll just compile it. Thank you for joining us. If you found this tutorial helpful, please comment, like and subscribe. See you next week.